Sa dami ng mga ebidensya at testigong nais ipresenta ng House Prosecution at Defense teams para sa impeachment trial kay Vice President Sara Duterte, hindi sapat ang 3 buwang paglilitis. Ayon sa House Prosecution Panel, humihiling sila ng 62 trial dates sa Senate Impeachment Court. 30 trial dates naman ang para sa defense team ni VP Duterte.
If I will consider the number of witnesses and exhibits of both parties, mukhang hindi kakayanin ng hanggang September lang. But nevertheless, the number of trial dates for the prosecution and the defense is subject to the discretion of the impeachment court. So it will be the impeachment court who will have the final say kung ilan ang trial dates na ipagkakaloob sa prosecution, in the same way kung ilan ang trial dates na ipagkakaloob sa depensa.
3 months is a bit tight, no? But so we agree on that point. Tingnan lang po namin. I think both sides naman po, talagang we're trying to speed things up. We're trying to expedite everything. Wala namang gustong tumagal ito. But again, hindi rin pwedeng madaliin.
Samantala, sa gitna pa rin ang issue ng magiging presiding officer ng Senate Impeachment Court pag nag-umpisa na ang paglilitis kay VP Duterte, nananatili ang posisyon ng House Prosecution Panel. Sino man ang presiding officer, tiwala pa rin ang prosekusyon sa impeachment court.
So regardless of whether it is SP Win Gatchalian or Senator Win Escudero, Senator Cheese Escudero, who will be presiding the impeachment trial, the position is expressing at most faith and confidence to the impeachment court.
Para naman sa defense team, internal issue na ng Senado kung sino ang magiging presiding officer ng impeachment court. Pero nakamatiyag pa rin ang depensa ayon kay Attorney Poa.
It's something that is internal to the Senate. So sa ngayon, kung sino man ang presiding officer, we will see first. No? Titingnan namin kung meron bang paglabag sa konstitusyon o sa kung anong mga batas.
May mga ulat na napipisil ng mayoryang maging presiding officer si dating Senate President Cheese Escudero. Pero ayon kay Senate President Sherwin Gatchalian, kinakailangan pang talakayin ito ng buong Senado. Rosa Lico, sumahataw sa balita ngayon.